Namaste everyone. In this video we will be doing this particular problem. We have the part for which the two views have been given on the right side, and this is once again views given in third angle projection. So when you see the side view over here, the view which we get by looking at it from the left side is placed on the left side, and this is the side view and this is the front view. So we can see a lot of dimensions have been given here, and using these dimensions we need to complete this part model. And when the part model is finished, it will look somewhat like this. So having known this shape and having got all these measurements, we need to proceed to complete this particular diagram. So let us begin. So for your convenience, I have placed this 3D model over 3D shape over here. So let us begin again. So just as always, we'll have to choose our working directory first. I'll choose this in a folder of my name placed on the desktop. So go inside, click OK. Now the working directory has been set. Now click on New, choose Part, give it a name. Let's say this is question number 2 for part. And then let's click OK. This will open the part model and provide us with all the options to create the part. So now let us begin with creation of this particular circle. So we have two concentric circles. There is a hole in the middle and there is a big cylinder. Let us begin with that. I will choose the front view for making the extrude. Now again, my view is not orienting properly. So click on this to reorient it. And we can start. So click circle, create two concentric circles with the same center overlapping, and then change their diameters. The outer one is having diameter 45. The inner one is supposed to be this, will have diameter 24. So to bring it all into view, let's click on fit to screen. Now that we have done these two cylinders, we'll come out of this command, click OK, and we can see that in the side view the total extrusion height is supposed to be 30. So let's give it a height of 30 and click OK. Now you can see that this cylindrical part with the hole has been created. Now it's time for us to create this base, for which all the dimensions are given here and its thickness is 12. So let's again begin by clicking the front view, going for another extrude, reorienting the screen properly, fitting it inside if if all of it is not correctly appearing. I'll take line next, start somewhere here, take a small line of vertical, then draw this line tangent to this particular circle. Now click the mid mouse button to come out of this command, and we can see that we want this diagram symmetric on the other side. So in order to get this symmetry, I'll have to mirror this about the center line. So select these two lines by pressing Ctrl, click on the mirror option over here, and then choose this axis, and you can see that the lines have got mirrored. Let us again click on fit to scale. Then we'll just take line and join this over here. Mid mouse button to come out. Now we can see that the total length here is 90. Let's proceed by creating the dimension because it doesn't already exist by default. Make this 90. Click to fit on the screen. Next we see that this length here is 24. Next we have this length from the center. The height of this is 60. So this length, we know this is 60, and let's click again on the fit. We need fillets on these two sides. The fillets are of radius 10. So let's proceed by giving this the fillets. So fillet here and a fillet over here. Both of them need to have same radius, so let's click on equal to and apply that constraint on these two fillets. So now both the fillets will be of same radius. You can see only one dimension is appearing. On the other side we don't have a dimension, and the equal to symbol is there, which means the radius of both are equal. Let's change this radius to 10. That's what we need over here. The total length it's remaining the same. This is the same. Why are we getting this angle over here? We should get this. So alright, so let's proceed to make the rest of the diagram and then let us see. We need a circle next, but the center of this circle is neither matching, overlapping with this center of the fillet, neither it is in horizontal or vertical. So let's not create any constraint and click it randomly over here. Do not also make the circle pass through this. You can right click 2 times to avoid this constraint from getting applied. Now left click, click the mid mouse button to come out. Once again, we want this circle to be symmetric about the line. So let's select the circle, take mirror about this axis, mid mouse button 2 times to come out, create this dimension from center to center distance. That distance has been given to us as 54, and we can see the distance on the other side is 18. So because we have made it symmetric, that will automatically be followed. If you don't want the symmetric option, you can just break it out, delete it, and you can have with these dimensions as it has been given. Now the distance from this upper edge is 18, so this distance is 18, and this circle needs to be in horizontal line with that. Let us choose horizontal, click on the circle centers so that they will always remain at same level. Okay, now coming to the diameter of this, it is 12. So change this to 12. The equal constraint is there on both the circles, so the radius will be equal. Now let's have this edge. Click here, press Ctrl and click on the lower side as well, then click the mid mouse button. So this will create a line which is overlapping with this circle. Then take the trim option, remove this outer. Now you can see the pink area is getting highlighted to show the region that we will get extruded. Okay, so now we can extrude this, and we find that the extrude height required is 12. So this is supposed to be 12. Okay, now click mid mouse button again, click on the fit. We got the most of the diagram, we have got it already. We just need this rib. So that rib is on this plane, so select that plane, select sketch, then orient it properly, take a line from this point to this, click mid mouse button, come out of it, then click OK. Now this line we will use to create our rib. So choose profile rib and flip the arrow. The thickness is supposed to be 8, so we can see that we got this distance 8. Click the mid mouse button or click on this, and we have our diagram ready. You can see the diagram that we got is exactly as it has been shown here. So that's it for this video. We will see you in another video with another problem. Till then, goodbye.